Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making bacon. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making bacon. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel or haven't been following, I'm trying to lose some weight. So I'm trying to eat different foods, but still eat the same foods. Meaning, like, I like bacon, but I know it's fatty, it's salty, it's not that good for you. So I went turkey bacon, 60% less fat, and 43% less sodium than USDA data for cooked pork bacon. No MSGs, no fillers. The thing I don't like about bacon is making it. So what we're going to do is do some on the George Foreman grill and do some in the oven. Now the reason I don't like doing bacon on the stovetop is because, well, it just splatters, makes a mess. I'm hoping this helps keep the mess down. There we go. Now, I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. And I sprayed the pan, well, I lined up with aluminum foil, sprayed some olive oil, preheated my George Foreman grill, sprayed that with some olive oil. So what we're going to do, we're going to lay some bacon on this pan, like that. If you hear snorting and sniffing, that's Blue Dog. He just came out to the kitchen and seen me making something. Now, from what I gathered on the internet, you're just supposed to lay it in the pan and cook it for like 10 minutes or so. But what I want to try doing is putting this little rack in here and adding more bacon to it. Then we're going to stick some on a George Foreman grill. I might set a timer for 10 minutes and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I want to check this now because the George Foreman grill, of course, is cooking on both sides. In the oven, well, it's just cooking. Okay, it definitely needs more time. And when I looked in the oven, I didn't open the door, I just looked through the window. I could tell that it needed more time. So we're gonna go the full 10 minutes and check back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. This right here is making a popping sound. Okay, that looks done the way I like it. This doesn't look quite done enough. Do a little side-by-side comparison. Okay. Go ahead, lay that on a couple paper towels. I'm going to go ahead, stick this back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Show you the bacon on the bottom. At least try to. There we go. Okay, that's bacon on the bottom. Go ahead, stick this back in the toaster oven for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Now this right here looks like the way I normally like it. Perfect. This guy kind of fell through. Now, what I did notice, it doesn't curl up like regular pork bacon. Under picture, they show it all curled up. The ones on the bottom don't look like they got cooked as much. You know what? We'll stick these in for another 5 minutes, see how they turn out. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. Now these got a little more done than what I like. As you can see, a little burnt. That's okay. Slide this back. Now, as you can see, there ain't a bunch of grease or anything in there. Not a bunch of grease in the pan. Okay, this is the bacon from the George Foreman grill. This is the bacon that was done in the oven on the rack. And this is the bacon that was done in the oven directly on the pan. Now this right here is a little overcooked for me, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and try the George Foreman bacon first. It's good, but it's not great. The texture is kind of there. You know you're eating turkey bacon, not real bacon. Let's go with the one done on the rack. That's a little more crispier. I do like that a little bit better. It has more of a real bacon taste to it. Let's go try the bacon that's laying directly on the pan. Now, that burning of it gives it a more real bacon taste. But the texture, I like the texture of this better than this. So if I had to decide, if I was only doing 3 or 4 pieces, definitely George Foreman grill. If I was doing a whole pack, I find me a rack and do them on a rack because it's the best taste. Maybe just do them a little bit longer. This, if I didn't have a rack, I'd just do them directly on the pan of aluminum foil, of course. But we got to get a neutral taste tester, and we all know who Survival on a Budget official taste tester is Blue Dog. So we'll give him a little taste and see what he thinks. You want some bacon? Blue. Okay, this is George Foreman grill. And this is the rack. And this is right on the pan. So as you can see, he has no opinion really. He just likes bacon. So this is just a quick idea to do bacon. I'm sure I'm not the only one out there that doesn't like the mess of bacon. If you try this, let me know what you think. Make sure you check out the links below, especially the Amazon store. Even if you don't buy nothing, it still helps me out. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. They'll be up here in this corner. And as always, thank you for watching.